Episode 9, AI privacy policies. What are they taking from us?
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Have you ever wondered what data AI companies are taking from you? Welcome to AI6, the podcast for marketers embracing the AI age. I'm Joanne Sweeney, and today I'm going behind the scenes of something we all use but rarely think about, the privacy policies of AI tools. AI is everywhere, powering chatbots, image generators, search assistants, and so much more. But have you ever stopped to ask, what data are they actually collecting from us? If you've ever skimmed past the terms and conditions, let's face it, we all do it, this episode is for you. Let me break it down. So what data are AI tools collecting? Well, every time you interact with an AI tool, whether it's ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or an AI-powered CRM, your data isn't just disappearing into thin air. Here's what AI tools often track. Your inputs, everything you type, upload, or request. The metadata, information about when, where, and how you use the tool. Behavioral data, how long you engage, what you click on, and your usage patterns. For individuals, this might not seem like a big deal, but for businesses, government agencies, and regulated industries, it raises serious privacy concerns. What happens when sensitive company data or customer information gets fed into an AI tool? The answer isn't always clear. The big question that we all have is, can AI tools store or learn from our data? Well, here's what Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, told Lex Fridman on his podcast about ChatGPT and user privacy.
I think the right answer there is just user choice. Anything I want stricken from the record for my AI agent, I want to be able to take out. If I don't want it to remember anything, I want that too.
But here is where it gets tricky. Some AI tools store data, some don't, but most won't tell you up front. A few key things to determine whether an AI model remembers what you type are as follows. Think about cloud-based versus local models. Most cloud AI tools retain some level of user data unless you explicitly disable it. Data retention settings. Some AI models automatically save conversations unless you opt out. And then fine-tuning practices. Even if an AI model doesn't store your exact words, it could still learn from them and influence future responses. So the key takeaway? If you're using an AI tool for sensitive or confidential work, read the fine print before you type. So what are the most common AI privacy loopholes? Well, privacy policies are long, dense, and full of grey areas, but here are a few red flags to watch out for. In quotes, we use data to improve our models. Sounds harmless, but it likely means your inputs are being stored and analysed. Quotes, we may share data with third-party partners. So who exactly are those partners and what's being shared? And then, in quotes, anonymized data may be retained. Well, even if stripped of identifiers, unique patterns can still reveal information. For industries dealing with customer data, intellectual property, or financial information, this is a major risk. If you don't want your business or organization's insights, legal discussions, or customer details being part of an AI's learning process, you need to be proactive. So how to protect your data when using AI tools? Check the privacy settings. Some AI tools let you disable data collection, but you have to turn it off manually. Use enterprise or paid-for versions. Business AI tools often come with stronger privacy controls than free consumer versions. Never enter confidential information. Assume anything typed into an AI tool is public. And finally, consider local AI models. AI tools that run on your own device or server rather than the cloud are far more secure. Even OpenAI now offers a temporary chat mode in ChatGPT that doesn't store conversations, but it's not the default setting. So looking to the future, will AI privacy get better or worse? There are regulations in place, the EU AI Act, we've got existing GDPR regulation, and upcoming new AI laws will push for greater transparency from companies. Privacy-first AI models, some companies are moving towards AI tools that don't store user data at all. The big tech challenge is that AI companies need data to improve, but they also need to protect user trust. So they need to strike a balance. So next time you interact with an AI model, ask yourself, do I really know what it's taking from me?
The AI6 Podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode of AI6. If you're ready to explore how AI can make your marketing smarter and more efficient, check out my professional diploma in AI for marketers, or if you're looking for in-company training, let me help you. Use the code AI610 for a special discount, and I'll talk to you on the next episode.